And I think that's important for anybody to remember because there is something called black rub syndrome, which is you put that on and you're thinking everybody's behooved to you at all
Mm.
times and beholden to you at all times and you're a king or a queen or whatever else. And I never want to get there at all. But the main thing that I try to remember in anything that I'm doing is always, like I said, to try to get it right and to try to help people. There are several laws I personally don't agree with, right? But when I put that robe on, I am Judge Parker at
Mm.
that point. And there are times that Ashley may feel one way, but Judge Parker has to do something else. And
Mm.
that's a challenge. It's a
Mm.
division of yourself at times. But when I took that oath, I swore to uphold the law. But that also means I swore to be fair and to be
Mm.
equitable and to not look at how much money somebody has or what race they are, what gender they are, or if they have an attorney or not, or all those things that I have to remember when I put that robe on to make sure that everybody is getting treated equitably and fairly. And so that's definitely what I try to do at the end of the day. But I also have to be okay with my decisions, right? And I truly believe that if I have the right heart for this, and hopefully I'm making the right decision. But you're right, I don't know at the end of the day what happened, but I definitely am praying and discerning and hopefully making that right decision. But I also stand grounded in the fact that my rulings can be appealed and people have that constitutional right to appeal it. So if I get it wrong, there are other judges that will make the call and say, Ashley got it wrong. And I'm okay with that. And I will
Mm.
correct my mistake. But I definitely have the heart to try to get it right.
You mentioned earlier you stand when you was being rolled by your mother and your father, how you were standing on his shoulders.
Mhm.